Welcome back to episode 5 of Facts to Know. In this video, we are presenting some interesting facts you didn't know about incredible India. We want you to be with us for many more videos to come, so subscribe the channel and keep the notifications on. Let's begin. Here we go. Fact number 10. The number of people traveling in the Indian railways every day is equal to the population of Australia. As of March 2021, connecting more than 7,349 stations, the Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia, carrying over 23 million passengers daily in 13,523 trains. Just imagine how populated India is. Fact number 9. The highest cricket ground in the world is in India. India is a crazy cricket-loving nation. It's only natural for it to also feature the highest cricket ground in the world, recorded by the Guinness Book. It is situated at a level of 2,144 meters above sea level in Chail Himanchal Pradesh. Fact number 8. The image of Kumbha mela gathering is visible from space. Can you imagine? The Kumbh Mela is a spiritual event held once in 12 years in northern India. In 2011, this religious gathering was so vast that it was visible from space through a satellite. It attracted over 70 million people. Fact number 7. Do you know world's biggest family is in India? Living in his 100-room mansion in Baktawang village of Mizoram, Mr. Giona Chana is the head of world's biggest family, consisting of 181 members. He has 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-law, and 33 grandchildren. Amazing family. Fact number 6. Do you know the most visited place in the world is in India? Awarded by the World Book of Records, the Golden Temple of Amritsar is most visited place in the world, with over 1 lakh devotees flocking at the shrine every single day. Fact number 5. India was one of the richest countries till the time of British rule in the early 17th century. Famous explorer Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, has come looking for a sea route to India when he discovered America by mistake in 1492. Fact number 4. In India, there is a village with no locks and doors, but maybe the safest on earth. The village of Shani Singnapur in Maharashtra is famous for not having a door or a lock on a single house. Beyond that, there has not been a recording of a criminal act for almost 400 years. Many people think that the said vulnerability has created a neighborly trust between the residents, which has formed a protection stronger than a deadbolt or a heavy gate. Fact number 3. In 1963, the first rocket in India was transported on a bicycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Kumbha launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Fact number 2. India has the current tallest statue in the world, measuring 600 feet, that is 182 meters in height. The Statue of Unity is currently the tallest statue in the world. The statue is a tribute to the independence leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is located in the western state of Gujarat, where Patel was born. For comparison, this statue is almost twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty, that was 305 feet or 93 meters. It is made up with more than 12,000 bronze panels and weighs about 67,000 tons. Wow! Fact number 1. India has the highest population of vegetarians. It's estimated that between 15 and 30% of India's population follow a strict vegetarian diet, while many others will only consume fish and no land animals. Vegetarianism is so widely spread that even Western food chains like KFC provides a vegetarian menu for restaurant patrons. Where in the world you will see that? This was it for the 5th episode of Facts to Know. And please don't forget to put a comment if you have an interesting story or a fact to share from India. And to all my beloved friends in India, Namaste India. Before saying bye-bye, there is an ultimate funny fact. You won't get a subscriber until you request for it. So subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Take care, bless you, bye-bye.